Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add your favicon to your Shopify website. Now, a favicon is basically just your logo, but it's in a smaller format. And think about when you're on your computer and you have a million different tabs open and you see those logos that are attached to those individual tabs, that is a favicon. So after this video, if your website does not have a favicon, I highly suggest going and putting your favicon on your Shopify website. It's super quick, super easy, and let's dive right into my computer and I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Okay, so when you come into your Shopify admin, on the left-hand side, you're gonna click on Online Store. And then you're going to click on this green button that says Customize. Now, once the page loads, I'm going to move myself out of the way. And over here on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Theme Settings. Now, depending upon what theme you have, yours might look a tad bit different, but for the most part, it's all going to be the exact same way. Now, Shopify has already outlined an entire section for your favicon, so you're going to click on the favicon section, and then because I already have mine added, it's there. But what you would do to add yours if you don't have it there is you just click this little box that says, it would probably say like add image or something like that, but nonetheless, you would click the button that is right here, and then you would upload your favicon into your store right here. So that's it, literally. Like it's as simple as that. So yeah, that's how you add your favicon to your Shopify store.